Hey y'all, just what I got in the mail. My new Air Max 90 SE. You're gonna see my reaction as soon as I open the box. So, the story behind these shoes is that I needed new shoes. I saw like 1,000 different colorways, but I just knew that I wanted Air Max. They look very comfortable. I've never owned a pair, but I'm gonna try it this time. So back to the color. They had like 1,000 different colorways. I couldn't decide exactly which one I wanted, but that was no surprise to me because I'm always indecisive. Usually when I get my shoes, I'm a very basic person. I like mostly gray or mostly white with a little splash of color. But this time when I saw these, I was like, wow, I'm gonna step outside the box since I can't decide what color I wanna get. And I'm gonna get one with a bunch of colors. Let me show you what I got. I got these online from Champ Sports. Here we go. I noticed on some of the reviews for Air Max, they said that I should order half a size up, but I ordered my regular size and we're gonna see how they fit. So here we go. Ooh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm pleasantly surprised. And here we go. Look at all of these colors. Me, like I said, for shoes, I'm a basic gray or white. But these have like basically everything in the kitchen sink. So, but they are pretty. So let me try them on. So I'm usually a women's 8.5. I ordered a women's 8.5. Okay, feels good. I'm glad I didn't go with the 9. Okay, here's the other one. And the back. I think I would have preferred if it was all one color in the back, but it's different. So we're gonna work with it. Perfect. I love the little, I don't know what you call it, air pocket or whatever there. Very nice. And here's the bottom. Okay, let me put it on. Then I'm gonna stand up and let you see what it looks like. Okay, feels pretty good. Not sure if you can get a good look of the foot here. Okay, let me turn. Okay, that's pretty good. Comfy. I can say I'm pleased with this purchase. I love Air Max. I think I'll purchase more in the future. So for those viewers out there who were curious to see what they look like on an actual foot, there you have it. I give it a thumbs up.